Hey everybody, this is Bo with the Local Losers. You should really know me by now, and if you don't, be ashamed. We're out here with Ronnie. His car quit. It's normally pretty fast, but right now it's just sitting still. I think he has some sort of fuel pump. He has some sort of fuel pump nonsense to do. What are you doing?
So basically we're putting in a new pump because that one wasn't ready for ethanol. So burn out.
So it had the wrong type of pump in it. Yeah. So you need a pump that is for ethanol if you're running ethanol. Why is that?
Do you want to see why?
Let's go see.
This is why. Your pump will start to go out, and it will pull so much amps it starts to just disintegrate your wire.
So that wire just burned in half or something?
Well, the connector was on there, but it wasn't getting any connection, like, because the wires are completely burnt. Like, you can't even bend this because it's like completely burnt. It's crazy.
And that was because of the amperage draw?
Yeah, because the pump was going out. So it was just pulling so much amps. And the car has a fuse on it, but apparently this is pretty common when this happens, when you run a relay, like close to it.
Huh,
if your relay's further away, it either burns up in the tank or it pops the fuse. What?
Levi's over there talking trash, falling over. Which one's which?
This is a new one. This is the old one. As far as like part numbers, I have no idea.
And the one in your left hand is a Walbro 450, but not an ethanol pump.
Yeah.
And the one in your right hand is the new one.
Yes. We think this is not ethanol. There's no reason why it should have gone out so soon, unless it wasn't ethanol rated.
How long has it been in the car?
6 months.
Was it used?
A year? No, it's new.
Huh.
It was new from just some dude. He was like gonna build his car and then he blew up his clutch and decided to sell all his parts.
Huh. Alright.
So, problem solved. So, this is the new fuel pump. It's a Walbro 450 E85 pump. So, it can pump ethanol and conventional gasoline. The other pump, we believe, was just rated for gasoline. I bought it new from a guy that had it for his build, and he didn't tell me if it was ethanol or not. And so we put it in the car, and 6 months later it goes out. So the only guess is it's not ethanol rated, and it destroyed itself. They look identical. You can't tell the difference. Maybe if you know the part numbers. I don't know the part numbers. So I just went online, ordered one for ethanol, and so hopefully we'll solve the car's problem.
Where'd you order that one?
Amazon.
Oh, how much was it?
Like $97.
It's not bad.
It's not too bad. Amazon has good prices.
So we're on the phone with Bill at AutoZone. We're trying to find out if they have 3/8 ID submersible fuel hose, because this is going in tank. This music is quite soothing.
It just makes me feel like I'm wasting my time.
I can see you in the reflection of the phone.
That's the number 2 AutoZone in Sierra Vista. You talk to Bill.
Talk to Bill. He knows what's up.
If he doesn't have fuel line, everybody call him and be like, what the hell?
I'm about to start stripping my clothes off to this music, dude.
Doesn't be best man. I would try Napa or shoot, maybe Tractor Supply.
Alright. Thanks. Bye.
So Bill says, don't try AutoZone for all your automotive needs.
O'Reilly Auto Parts.
Here it is. O'Reilly Auto Parts.
Just call him. Jeez.
She's not a mind reader, Ronnie.
Should be. We spent enough time together, like hell.
She should know me.
Hi Jeff, can I see if you guys have 3/8 submersible fuel line for fuel injection?
3/8 fuel line?
Yeah, submersible.
Give me 1 second.
Okay.
Don't let us down, Jeff.
Maybe this is Jeff Gordon. He'll ask. If not, we're just gonna send it with this right here because of that thing. Fucking.
Yeah, right on. If not, we're just gonna send it. Alright, so you got it all wired up.
Yep, wired up. Line's back on.
Alright,
She's good over here.
shove it in. Alright, let's go see if we can hear this fuel pump cut on. Oh yeah, I heard it. See if we can hear the car start. Okay, the car didn't start.
Battery's dead.
The battery's dead. I think we ran into this in one of our other videos, Ronnie.
Shut up.
Wow, that's super bright. So Ronnie's going to get his jump box so we can get his car started. There's the dead fuel pump on the ground.
She's alive! Well, that's another day in the life of a project car owner, always having to deal with problems.
That's pretty much how it goes, all the time.
Well, thanks for helping us, and we hope to see you next time.
Yeah, see ya. Later.